Ready to turn curious browsers into loyal customers? First, we'll craft an irresistible lead magnet. Think a valuable checklist, a mini ebook, or an exclusive template that solves a specific problem for your target audience. Today, we will create a downloadable PDF template. To start, select a topic relevant to your business and make sure it offers instant value. You can edit it in programs like Canva or Google Docs. Now head to Mailchimp and create a landing page that showcases your lead magnet. Navigate to the Create option, then select Landing Page. Design a visually appealing page with a clear headline, a brief description of what your lead magnet offers, and a captivating image. The information should tell people what they are getting and what they will achieve. Integrate an opt-in form directly into your landing page and customize the fields to collect the necessary information. At minimum, collect name and email. Next, set up an automated welcome email that delivers the lead magnet immediately after someone subscribes. This builds trust and shows your commitment to providing value. In Mailchimp, select Automations, then Transactional, and select a welcome email. This provides the download in an email that will go out immediately upon subscription to your form. Customize a welcome message that thanks the user for subscribing and give a button linking to the downloadable lead magnet. Finally, track those landing page analytics. By testing and optimizing your lead magnet and opt-in forms, you'll maximize conversions and continually grow your email list.